Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing review of the water fountain that I got from Amazon, and it is a Ganpati water fountain. So today, as it is a Ganesh Chaturthi, I thought of sharing it with y'all. First of all, happy Ganesh Chaturthi to everyone. Now this is a fountain, how it looks like, and it comes in box packaging. The packaging of this was really amazing. Now I got it a year back, so I don't have the packaging. So I'll just show you all this. This is a tub that you get in which you have to put water, and it is like this. It looks like this. Now the material of what it is made up of is polystone, they have mentioned. The length of this whole thing is 42 inches, breadth is 31 inches, and height is 23 inches. It's a very good quality product. I really liked it. Now I got this Ganpati one, but there are variety of like different kind of things that are there on over there, different structures, and they all look very beautiful. So you get this to, you have to put it and then on the light, and this is the bottom part of it, for which you have a adapter attached to it. Not adapter, like a pump, water pump. This is the water pump that you get, from which the water gets pumped up and it goes on top. This is how it looks like. Over here you have to attach the pipe that is there, and I think this particular button like is there, that is just to control the flow of water, like whether you want it far high or fast speed or low speed, which is mentioned over there, plus minus. Now you have to put this into that pipe, then the water get pumps and it goes on top. I just put it and show you all. So this is how it looks after you put. You just have to put it tightly because otherwise it might come out, then the water won't get pumped up on top. Over back side it is like this, it's plain, and there is a small hole, kind of like a place from where you have to bring out the wire, like this. You get LEDs also inside this, and it is very easy to install also. This is an indoor water fountain, so there is one LED right there. The water comes on top from here, and you also get one manual, I think, which I don't have right now. So now I'll just put water in this tub. Like, you have to fill it up. The more water you put, the more with pressure the water will come on top. If you put less water, the water might not come on top, or it will come in very less quantity, kind of. Okay, so now I have put this much water, and then you have to dip that motor inside the water properly. There is down thing, something that gets stuck to the down bottom part, so you have to put it properly. Okay, so now I have on this. The water will come from your top part and then it will flow down. So the speed is less, maybe because the water quantity I have put is less, otherwise it comes very fast. So it falls in this, and then from this to the down part, and this, and then the last one, and then from there it just flows down back to the tub down below. It's a very good product. I would highly suggest you all to buy this. It really gives you a nice look, even for gifting purpose. It's amazing. I've put off the light, so this is how much. I'll put off the backlight also, so you can just see the light how much. So this is how it looks like. And even the water, when it falls, there is a nice sound that comes, which really is amazing. I'll put up a clip here. this sound is quite refreshing, and also along with that now I have added little bit extra water, that's why the water is flowing faster. So see, if you'll add more water, the water will flow faster. It's available on Flipkart also, I guess, so you can check it out. I'll be leaving down the link of this in the description box.